Use action plans to create structured, consistent, and personalized client experiences, fostering loyalty and trust. In today's fast-paced financial world, consistency is key. Use action plans to easily navigate through critical client tasks directly within the client record. Leverage action plan templates to instantly establish structured plans for common client interactions, saving you valuable setup time. Once created, the plan is immediately visible, clearly highlighting upcoming activities and overall progress. Stay on track with intuitive task lists. Simply check off completed items for real-time updates. Get a clear view of plan status, ensuring every critical step is completed and nothing is overlooked. Plus, seamlessly collaborate with your team by assigning tasks directly within the plan. Experience enhanced productivity and efficiency with action plans like never before. Create consistent, efficient client journeys, transform your client interactions, and drive business growth. Add action plans to your workflow today.